waiting on our bucket. These are super cool. They are purple ornamental bananas. They come straight upwards, and you can use them in bouquets. They're not edible, but they're so beautiful. This is the Cava little bush tree that we have. Still pretty small, but it's already fruiting. They grow the fruits right on the bark of the tree, on the trunk. And they taste just like a grape. Cava or Brazilian cherry. This tamarind tree is huge and producing a lot of fruit, but it's so tall, it's hard to harvest them. This little shrub is the miracle fruit tree. It's really tiny. It takes a long time to fruit, but ours is fruiting. We have 2 of these, actually 3, but only 2 of them are fruiting. Here's one that's ready. The birds often will take it, but we try our best to get them because they are really valuable and amazing, because they change your taste bud receptors so that if you eat anything sour, it turns sweet. It tastes like it's sweet, so it turns off your sour receptors. Pretty cool stuff. Filling up our weekly order. It is so amazing this time of year. All the flowers that come in. The Caribea Gold, which is Puerto Rico's endemic flower, heliconia, and we have all of these. I'm not sure the name of these ones that are coming in, but they're so pretty. I love how they're yellow on the inside and then bright red on the outside. And then here's a kind of a collection of torches. This is a red one, and this is kind of a hot pink one, and then a white one. And we also have a little Alpinia ginger in there. So the flowers are continuing to impress me. This pineapple is almost ready to harvest. It's a special pink pineapple. There's another different pineapple. It doesn't have fruit yet, but it's a really showstopper. And in the distance here you can see some bananas are forming. Always lots of food to be found on the farm. This is the naranja China. It's a little bit more sour and really good fruit. The mangoes are already forming and falling. And of course there's coconuts. It's a beautiful day. We are at Cava Baja in Aguada, just opened. Beautiful decorations, beautiful space. Our knight in shining armor.
Not so shiny.
What a cool tuna tartare and some setas. This is all Spanish inspired food, so buen provecho. Not only do they have tapas and regular meals, but they have a wide variety of drinks, including mocktails. So if you want a fancy drink but you don't want the alcohol, you can get a mocktail like this one. Salud.
And for the main course, Pollo a la Mancha. Buen provecho.
Very open.
Pretty soon, all these cars that are parked right on the line of the road are going to get tickets from the police. After living here for a while, you start to know the rules that are unspoken. Everyone run into the beach.
Here's the new sign.
Here's the new sign.
What we found in the pond. One frog, a toad, and another toad. They're sleeping.
That must awake.
Oh, they're awake.
And another one.
That's pretty neat, huh? Pomarosas. Flowering and fruiting. And lots of bees. We are in the town of Las Marias, which is known as El Pueblo de la China Dulce, the town of the sweet orange. And today also happens to be the second day of the Orange Festival, which it hasn't had for 2 years. So this is really exciting to go see how the festival is going in the town of oranges.
La Llorona se comenta, Huepango muy cultural, y el Huasteco lo respeta por su modo de cantar, que no cualquiera interpreta.
really full festivals we've been to since the pandemic started, so this is really feels nice to be out and see all the happy people.
Escuchen esta melodía muy bonita, así que
taking a quick stop for a bite to eat at this little roadside frappe food place. right near the plaza. The plaza lines are super long, so we came over here. It's nice because you can sit in the shade and overlook the road, and all the motorcycles are parked here, so it's kind of fun. But we have some fresh squeezed orange juice and some nachos, so buen provecho. What you get there, Dada?
Got a bag of oranges. Good for juicing.
Woohoo!
Them is juicing oranges, Aiden.
Computadora junto a mi mejor sillón. Tengo mi computadora junto a mi mejor sillón. Sé que soy encantadora, de links yo tengo un montón. Si le tecleas la aurora te sale mi información.
Si me ves en agonía, siéntate a mi cabecera. Si me ves en agonía, siéntate a mi cabecera.
Alright, so in addition to the festival, they also have a little area for amusement park rides and things. Aiden's been having some fun riding them. Huh, Aiden? Dance, dance, dance! Say, yay, I want to do it! Show him, show him, show him! Woohoo! Yeah, we'll go in the little cars. Dance, dance, dance! If you dance, we'll go in the car.
Tal vez así ya no muera. Tal vez así ya no muera. O con gusto moriría.
Nothing like a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice from oranges in Puerto Rico. Salud.